The two main craters about the city of Mount Gambier in South Australia are the Blue Lake and Wally Lake. Blue Lake has an average depth of about 72 meters. The surface of the lake is about 17 meters below the crater rim, so it's pretty inaccessible. Each November, the lake takes on a very deep turquoise color, which is thought to stem from the accumulation of the summer heat, which causes some chemical changes in the lake. The lake supplies the city of Mount Gambier with its drinking water. The Wally Lake, on the other hand, looks a bit green in color. You can access its shores and even go boating on the lake. There are picnic areas and barbecues, plus a number of walks. At the highest point above that lake is the Centenary Tower, dating from 1904. It is about 190 meters above sea level and provides some of the best views over the city and surrounding area. It's open to the public, but only if the flag is flying on the tower, so look out for that.